Every journey begins where the grain first meets the light.
Timing decides the quality of what follows.
Experience reads the field better than any chart. Machines arrive when nature signals ready. Precision begins at the first cut. Each kernel is separated, not wasted. The harvest moves from field to flow. Balance ensures safe transport ahead. Protection preserves value. The field releases its harvest.
Thousands of motions become one system.
Even the air carries the process forward. Harvest becomes movement.
The land rests as the journey continues.
From here, the factory takes over. Distance turns harvest into industry. Every rotation carries value forward. Protection continues beyond the field. Logistics binds many harvests into one. Hands guide the harvest onward. The field meets the mill.
Control begins at the gate.
Every ton is accounted for.
From open land to controlled flow.
Order replaces randomness.
Weight confirms yield. Numbers guide the next step.
Clear to proceed. Waypoint Alpha.
Data unlocks movement.
Gravity prepares to take control. Every arrival follows a defined path. Release begins the transformation. Gravity takes the lead. The factory swallows the harvest. Vertical movement begins the climb. Upward, toward refinement. Power concentrates at the core. Inside, precision replaces force. Elevation brings control. This is where order is engineered. Raw input meets structure.
Nothing here is left unmanaged.
Data guides every decision.
The factory is ready to cleanse the grain. Before refinement, purity is enforced. Only what belongs may pass. Air separates what hands cannot. Invisible threats are stopped here. Weight reveals the truth. Movement becomes measurement. Movement becomes measurement. Clean grain earns elevation. Now, precision tightens. Light decides what stays. Efficiency leaves nothing unchecked. Uniform grain grinds uniformly. Nothing impure moves forward.
Prepared, but not yet transformed.
The moment before change.
Now, the grain will be broken.
This is where structure becomes substance. Pressure replaces patience. The grain is opened, not destroyed. Each stage feeds the next. Size decides destiny. Separation sharpens purity. Gradual force refines quality. Dozens of passes, one goal.
Consistency is engineered.
Powder begins to take form. Nothing is mixed by accident. Smoothness is measured. Many streams become one. Uniformity defines quality. Now the flour is truly born. Now the flour is stabilized. Balance defines performance. Precision works in fractions.
Time completes what machines begin.
Stillness refines consistency. Stillness refines consistency. Stability is verified. Transformation continues forward. Perfection requires restraint. Texture defines purpose. Cleanliness is non-negotiable. Uniform from end to end.
Specification becomes identity.
Every route is deliberate. The product is ready. Prepared for automation.
Here, machines are given instructions.
Data becomes command. No hands, no delay. Speed without exposure. Efficiency chooses the path. Timing is everything. Accuracy replaces estimation. Systems agree before action. Automation never hesitates. Position defines precision. Verification precedes action. Many lines, one heartbeat.
Safety is always active.
The system stands ready. Now, precision takes the lead. Precision defines the final form. Each bag receives its measure. Adjustment ensures trust. Completion moves onward.
Form prepares for closure.
Closure secures quality. Every seal is confirmed. Identity is stamped. Eyes still matter. Errors exit immediately. Presentation matters. Accuracy is sealed.
finished, but not yet cleared.
Final approval awaits.
Now, the flour is tested. Before release, proof is required.
Testing begins without waste.
Speed meets control. Grams reveal truth.
Water balance defines shelf life.
Performance starts at composition.
Standards are numerical.
Minerals leave a trace.
Strength defines application.
Uniformity is measurable. Approval is recorded.
The batch is cleared.
Testing ends. Movement resumes. Human judgment remains vital.
Now, the product moves to the world.